south-central Kentucky, eastern Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Madisonville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Madisonville around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Burlington around 10:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Morton's Gap, Nortonville, and Graham. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 105 and 124. Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 39 and 55. Penny Route Parkway between mile markers 32 and 34. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.